Welcome to the Press Awards.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today I'm going to reward all the best ideas that I have had for the both channels.
And that's not narcissist at all.
So let's start. And the first category, best tool design. And on the runner-up, coffee maker 5 million and 10 million. Both.
Yeah, that was amazing how well they worked.
Yeah, and the first version was with like Amazon coffee handle, and the coffee handle was the weak point. So after that, we made the coffee handle 10 million that didn't have any weak points. And with that, the coffee extraction with 300-ton press and thousands of bars of pressure was perfect.
And the coffee was a bit better than in some gas stations.
I think that's really cool. And then, absolute marvel of engineering, our Delta P accident simulator. I didn't believe, like, once during the project that it's going to actually work.
And we were a bit lost, I should say.
Yeah, and Hanna didn't understand what we were doing, so she didn't, like, second guess my tool design, except here with pulling from the strings.
Look my face!
Yeah, look bit worrying. Yeah, but even if the controls were a bit like rudimentary, the thing actually worked, and I had to say that I was super surprised to see it work this well. Okay, here it goes. Moment of silence for the best tool design of the year.
You know, it was the worst simulated work accident.
Yeah, it has 2 awards.
Okay.
I upgraded to the best tool design because look at this, how well it works. It just goes. And also probably the best camera work also of the year.
Yeah.
We got this so well filmed with Chronos 1.4 with monochrome sensor. Perfect. And I would give Oscar to myself if I could.
And your fish shoes. The best work safety moment of the year.
Yeah. Okay, we are on the good start. 10. Best actor of the year. Is that he or she?
I don't know, maybe it.
Okay, it. Mr. Watermelon, he's now.
Yeah.
But look at that. Look how nice is the eye roll after the explosion. Yeah. They don't teach that at like acting school.
No, that's something in your character.
Yeah, you have to have like raw natural talent for that level of acting.
Yeah, and that kind of bravery is something unique.
Yeah, didn't flinch at all.
Nope.
10. I think Hanna can announce this.
Oh yeah, the best cleanup of the year is the gummy bear gun in the sound panels. It was terrible.
Did we end up replacing the panel or did you clean it?
I think we end up replacing it after finding out that it's so sticky that it's not ever going to go away. So.
Yeah, but that was best cleanup. 10. Most annoying thing. This is my award to give.
Yeah.
It's a giant wood block. It got stuck in the press, didn't want to crush, broke my drill, and I have speeded up this like 10,000%.
Yeah, it took a time.
It took a lot of manual labor to make it weak enough to be crushed, and that was the most annoying thing ever. But you liked it on the video, so it is deserved of its honor here.
Yeah.
And then, best worst idea of the year.
Yeah, we thought that coffee is the thing to do.
Yeah, so we made a coffee cup out of coffee, and that was a stupid idea, but it kind of worked.
Yeah.
At least like 3 seconds. So it was a great idea, but bad idea.
Yeah.
And also there's so much caffeine on that cup that if you consume the whole thing, you are going to die.
So that's worst idea ever.
And then the next one, best failure of the year. And it has to be the spectacular failure of the hydraulic hose. And I'm not sure, is this even a failure? Was it like was it like around 2,000 bars or something like
Yeah,
that?
it took a lot.
And it was rated for 350. So it failed, but it was way over like its design limits. And the sound was so loud because the water shooted out about 500 meters per second. And now we are going to move to main awards. Best mayhems of the year on Beyond the Press channel.
It was a mayhem whole year.
And on the 5th place, big ass tractor tire in van. I think this is like description of mayhem, and people love to see things explode that shouldn't explode.
Yeah.
So there is all the good ingredients for mayhem there.
Yeah.
And then weirdest mayhem probably of the year, supercritical CO2 inside of the pressure chamber.
Like, who gets that idea?
Yeah, but look at that. That's some weird ass shit.
It was.
And yeah, it was like hard to describe. That looked even weirder with your own eyes because it looks like some effect. And when you see it on the screen, of course, you can see like all kinds of stuff on the screen. But it really looked like this. So well placed. So well deserved award here. Okay, and then the third best mayhem. I'm not sure if this is like mayhem, but something. Wasn't that me tasting the drink? But it was Anni's visit to New Bunker and the Press because Anni lives a long way away, so she doesn't visit us often because it's so long trip. But this year Anni saw the new Press, New Bunker, everything, and I think it was great because it's such an upgrade from the old Press and the City Blast screen.
Yeah, it is.
And then I think this is the most mayhemist mayhem ever. Is that even word?
Yeah.
But 6,000 single shot fireworks against thousands of like firework rockets. And this was our faraway drone, and we thought that it's far away. But the mayhem surprised us all.
Yeah, it was crazy how wide it went.
Yeah, and it was over fast.
Yeah.
And then the best mayhem ever.
At least in your opinion.
Yeah, this didn't get many views, but I don't even care. This was like life goals for me. We made a real fire truck by installing flamethrower to fire truck. Because if it shoots water, it's a water truck, not a fire truck. But this is real fire truck that we have here, and this is one of the best moments of my life.
Yeah, and I think this was one of the best moments of the year, like the best day of the year.
Yeah,
I think
probably.
the whole day was so funny.
And this exact moment I never forget. Like crossing the streams, like water against fire, just like so nice. And huge thanks to everybody who checked out our Kickstarter. The project is doing really, really well. We have about 1,000% of our goal. And the most popular reward so far has been the early packer collection with tungsten dice. So you're going to get all the nice materials and this super cool display dock where you can hold your dice on your table. And just like the dice, the dock is also CNC machined and it's brutal as fuck. Yeah, and now more explosions. And with all that, we go to best crushes of the year. And third place, pressure plug failure against ballistic head.
Oh.
Hanna should have the best commentary award. It's like, oops, oh.
Uh-oh.
What happened? Something happened.
Something broke.
Ooh. There is actually more of that coming.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but this was great. And it was the first time when press accidents start to look like gun YouTube channels with the pressure plug going through the ballistic head.
Yeah. You can see the high speed, how well it went.
Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. It's also super nice to see the reflection on the glasses.
Yeah.
You can see like the
How
water
it
cloud
goes.
is coming, and then the plug is
Going through your face.
yeah.
Oh no!
And then the second best crush. It's kind of good because it's kind of like revenge against the wooden block that was so annoying. Also, there was like good mayhem with all the shit flying. Super cool and big ass wood block.
There is some surprise at the end.
And I have to also give award for the best camera of the year, and it goes to Sony FX3. They are only protected by good luck and Japanese engineering, and they have gotten crazy hits this year. And we have to also give runner-up camera award to GoPro
Yeah.
because it's like also taking some pounding there. Yeah, this is Chronos 4K and it's out of the bunker. It's too nice camera to be protected only by luck. Yeah, but great crush and great cameras.
Yeah.
And
And goodbye filters.
yeah, and then the best crush of the year, giant hammer explosion, and also probably like best environmental catastrophe
Yeah.
that we caused, earthquake. Because this was before adding rubber under the press, and the press jumped so violently that our neighbors said that the windows are shaking and the cat is going crazy because of the like seismic shocks that are coming from these explosions.
Uh-oh, and then we at the same time. Uh-oh.
Yeah, and that was before we removed the press computer and the light shield from the frame itself. So all the electronics were also jumping with the explosions, but now they are insulated from the mayhem.
Yeah, that must be one of the biggest learnings of this year, to remove the electronics from the hydraulic press.
Yeah, and then we have 3 more awards. First, Employee of the Year.
Is
Otto the Magnificent. Otto is the youngest and the newest addition to the team, but Otto has the best work ethic and is most adult of us all.
Yeah.
We are childish and lazy, me and Hanna, so Otto is great addition.
Yes, thanks Otto.
And then Hydraulic Press of the Year.
Goes to
300 tonner. It has done great work this year. Other presses have been also great. And then last award, Best Explosion of the Year, isn't out yet. It's coming soon on Beyond the Press channel. I want to give it this year because we film it on summer, and as all good explosions, we had way too much dynamite. We first calculated the right amount and then doubled it. And the end result was huge crater and mayhem. So subscribe to Beyond the Press channel to see that. And that is all awards for this year.
thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.